All right, so we have another question on the board. We have that x raised to the power 2y is minus y raised to the power 2x is equal to 17. And we're supposed to find the value of x and y. Let's try to solve this question. So we'll rewrite this as x raised to the power y squared minus y raised to the power x squared equals 17. Because we know that a raised to the power m n is equal to a raised to the power mn. All right. So that's why we're able to rewrite this in this format. Now, if we notice, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Now, so we just wipe this off. Okay. Now, so we have 17 is the same thing as 17 times 1. And here we have x raised to the power y squared minus y raised to the power x squared. So let's rewrite this. And we have x raised to the power y minus y raised to the power x. And then x raised to the power y plus y raised to the power x. 17 times 1. Okay, so now the positive 1 we can equate to the higher number, and then the negative we can equate to the lower number. Okay, so now we have x raised to the power y plus y raised to the power x equals 17, and x raised to the power y minus y raised to the power x equals 1. So if we add this up, that cancels out, and then we have 2x raised to the power y equals 18. So x raised to the power y is equal to 18 divided by 2, which will give us 9. Now, x raised to the power y is equal to 3 squared. So if we consider this answer, we can see that the x corresponds to 3 and the y corresponds to 2. Now, let's go back to our equation and try to find the value of y raised to the power x. So this becomes 17 x raised to the power y plus, sorry, it goes there, y raised to the power x equals 1. If we subtract, then we can cancel that one out. And then we have this minus yx minus yx will give us 2yx. 17 minus 1 will give us 16. So if we divide both sides by 2, we have 8. Now, therefore, our y raised to the power x is equal to 8. And we know that 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3. Therefore, y raised to the power x is 2 raised to the power 3. And from this answer, we can see that our y corresponds to 2 and our x corresponds to 3. And if we look up here, our x corresponds to 3 and our y corresponds to 2. Therefore, our x is equal to 3 and our y is equal to 2. Now, if we plug these values back into the equation, let's see if we'll be able to get 17 as the answer. So I'm going to wipe this off. So we have x raised to power 2. Our y is 2 minus y raised to power 2. Our x is 3. Is this equal to 17? Now we're trying to verify. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have x raised to power, the x is 3 as well. So we have 3 raised to power 2 times 2 is 4. And our y is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So is this equal to 17? So we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 minus 2 in 6 places. Is this equal to 17? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Times 3 is 81. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Times 2 is 32. Times 2 is 64. Is this equal to 17? Now, 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Therefore, our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. So therefore, our values for x and y, x equals 3 and y equals 2, are correct. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. Make sure to share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.